Wow! Secret cars. Let's go unpacking. And first, green pack. Let's go. Wow, it's Dinoco. Wow. Nice. What next? Wow, it's green Mcqueen.
Up again.
Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen is blown into... he's lost another tire!
Nice. Wow, what is it? Check, 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 check. Wow! It's Mcqueen.
Goodbye, Radiator Springs!
Nice. Very good. Go next color. What is that? Wow! It's car with big wheels. Big foot. Nice. Let's go next. What is that? Wow, it's Mcqueen.
When I see something that I don't like, I gotta say it.
Nice. Next, it's blue car. What is that? And it's... Wow, it's Jackson Storm.
I like racing. That's it. I just like it. I'll win.
Nice. Let's go next color. It's yellow. Wow, it's colored Mcqueen. Nice. Let's go next. Wow, very big pack. 3 cars. Let's go. Wow. Wow, first it's Mcqueen. It's matter, blue matter, brown matter.
Later, that's funny.
Little Japan green car.
Come on, get me out there, let's go, get me back out there, come on!
Wow, big Mcqueen. And little red Japan car. And next. What is that? Wow.
All right, cruise the beach. I need you to think of the beach.
Mr. McQueen?
Yeah.
Nice, very beautiful car. And last one, yellow pack. Wow, small cars. Red, green. Wow, a lot of cars. Let's go next. It's green. What is that? Wow, it's Doc Hudson.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Nice. Wow, low rider. And next, wow, very big car. Let's go. Wow. Wow, it's Mac. Nice.
Oh, come on, Mac, you're in the slow lane. This is Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
What next? And next, it's orange. Wow, it's buggy, orange buggy. Nice. And next, wow, pink car. Wow, so cute. Nice. Let's go next. And next, it's black car. Wow, it's black Jackson Stone.
Wait, who was that? I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Nice. And last color, it's golden. Wow. Chick Hicks. Brown color. Nice. Next. It's Matter. Nice. And last one. Wow! Yeah, it's Big Mcqueen with a head. Nice. Very so cute.
You know, I'd love to see the rest of the town.
Very good. Very good. Well, thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and put likes. Bye bye!